3 have been arrested by the National Investigation Agency in the Kashmir raids following a spate of targeted killings in Kashmir. The NIA had earlier conducted raids at 16 locations and detained over 100 people in a massive crackdown on terror in the valley. We'll try and go across to my colleague Gursimran for getting us the latest. Gursimran, just get us the details with regards to the fresh arrests that have been made. As we understand, this is the first big arrest that has been made as far as this case, which is being probed by the Jammu and Kashmir police, and also parallelly it turns out that the National Investigation Agency is also looking into this entire matter.
Shravan, the raids which started at around 6:30 in the morning, 3 people have so far been arrested, and the process for more arrests, the procedure is still underway. So we can expect more arrests in this case, where more than 15 locations were raided by the sleuths of National Investigation Agency in the 4 districts of Srinagar, Baramulla, Kulgam and Anantnag. And important to mention that the case hasn't been officially handed over to the National Investigation Agency, but they are conducting a parallel investigation in the case along with the other cases. And the TRF cadre and the IS Islamic State cadre is on the radar of the National Investigation Agency, because we know that the top officials of the NIA, including the IG rank officers, 2 IG rank officers, as well as the director, special director of the IB, they are still camping in the Kashmir Valley to chart out the strategy to counter terrorism in Kashmir Valley, because the instances that have taken place in past 7 days, they have totally changed the security scenario in the Kashmir Valley, and a new challenge is being posed by the Pakistani proxies for the security agencies. And MHA has taken it very seriously. That's why they have rushed the top officials of the NIA. More than 100 of the NIA officials are still camping in Kashmir Valley, and these raids are just a start. Sources are telling us there are many more of these kinds to come, even at a larger magnitude, because the investigation of these civilian killings, especially of the minority community, is of paramount importance for the agencies, and that's why top officials are themselves camping and now re-strategizing the plan to counter the terrorism in Kashmir Valley, because these are 10 to 12 terrorists, we are being told, in Srinagar, those who are carrying out these targeted killings in Valley, but they are getting support from North Kashmir as well as from South Kashmir, and that's why the today's raids have been conducted. However, NIA will stick to the official statement as they haven't got the case officially, but yes, this is the main reason behind the raids that were conducted by NIA and top officials of the NIA camping in Valley. Yes, Shravan.
Well, I'll request you to stay on with us, Gursimran. Let me also put out the details that are now coming in with regards to the reactions. Now, on the one hand, while there have been targeted killings in the valley, what we're essentially seeing playing out in the valley is political leaders now saying that perhaps the solution is to talk to the neighbor, and not just that, also perhaps talk to the terrorists. That could be the way forward. That's what Congress leader Saifuddin Soz essentially had to say as a measure to tackle the situation on the ground. Listen in to what Saifuddin Soz had to say.
मैं आपको बताऊं कि यहाँ जो मेजॉरिटी कम्युनिटी है मुसलमान, वो हिल गए हैं अंदर से, और यहाँ जो इस वक्त लोग हैं, तो ये तो 95% तो मुसलमान हैं यहाँ बैठे हुए। यहाँ के मुसलमान जो हैं दुखी हैं कि ऐसा सोचा जा रहा है कि मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी से ही किसी ने मारा है, जिन बच्चों के पास बंदूक है। लेकिन हकीकत यह है कि उन बच्चों को भी कुछ कहना है, उनकी बात सुनी जानी चाहिए। ऐसा माहौल बनना चाहिए कि हम जिसके हाथ में बंदूक है उससे पूछें क्या आप सोचते हैं, ताकि उसके दिमाग की चीज़ जो है वो दूर हो जाए। और सब चीज़ का इलाज है डायलॉग। यहाँ आर्मी है, पैरा फोर्सेस है, लेकिन उनकी वजह से कुछ नहीं होगा तब जब मोदी जी और उसके जो साथी हैं उनको समझ आएगा कश्मीर के लोगों से बात करना पड़ेगी, उनको बात करनी चाहिए। यहाँ के मेन स्ट्रीम के साथ नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस, PDP, अपनी पार्टी पीपल्स कॉन्फ्रेंस, सबसे बात, कांग्रेस से सबसे बात करना पड़ेगी, आम लोगों से बात करना पड़ेगी। आम लोगों में कोई नहीं है जो बंदूक की तरफदारी करता है, जो ऐसी मौतें चाहता है। यहाँ कश्मीर के मुसलमान जो हैं, मैं 100% मुसलमान को कहता हूँ, वो इतने ही दुखी हैं जितने दूसरे लोग हैं। इस फैमिली के साथ सारा मुस्लिम समाज जुड़ा हुआ है इस वक्त इस दुख की घड़ी में, और सारे लोग चाहते हैं हिंदू, मुसलमान, सिख एक साथ रहें, अपने मज़हब की ताज़ीम करें, वो माने और उस रास्ते पर चलें और भाईचारा कायम करें। सबसे बड़ी बात वही है।
अभी माइनॉरिटी कम्युनिटी के लोग जो है कुछ अब वापस निकलने की सोच रहे हैं, क्या आपको लगता
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं जाना चाहिए। आप क्या करते हैं? देखिए, मैं आया, मैं अकेला थोड़ा हूँ यहाँ। जो अंदर जा रहे हैं इस वक्त तो मुसलमान हैं, और वो भी हैं जिनका कोई ताल्लुक़ नहीं है सरदार जी के साथ, मगर इंसानियत के रिश्ते से आ गए हैं यहाँ। तो और सियासत के तौर नहीं आए हैं। मैं इत्तेफाक से कांग्रेस का आदमी हूँ, मगर मेरा दिल हिल गया है इससे, और मुझे जाना चाहिए। और यहाँ के हिंदू मुसलमान सिख सारे जुड़े हुए हैं, वो जुदा नहीं हो सकते हैं। कश्मीरियत जो है वो मिलनसारी है, भाईचारा है।
ऐसे लोग
चाहते हो कि सरकार मिलिटेंट्स के साथ या गवर्नमेंट के साथ, जिससे हालात यहाँ पर ठीक हो जाए? ठीक है?
नहीं, हालात के ठीक होने तक इंतज़ार नहीं करना चाहिए। यहाँ का जो ये गवर्नमेंट जो है और मरकज़ी सरकार जो है, उनको फ़ौरन डायलॉग करना चाहिए। यहाँ मेन स्ट्रीम है ना, तो उनके साथ बात करें। एनसी है, पीडीपी है, मैंने भी बताया, पीपल्स कॉन्फ्रेंस है, अपनी पार्टी है।
Following the targeted killings of minorities in Kashmir, minorities have begun migrating from the valley. They now stare at a bleak future as they have been forced to leave their homes again. Despite multiple assurances that have essentially been given by the administration, taking a relook at the security that has been provided, questions are still being asked as to why exactly hasn't the administration acted upon the intelligence input suggesting that Kashmiri Pandits would come under attack. Take a look at this full report.
Kashmiri Pandits who had returned to the valley after Prime Minister Modi announced a rehabilitation package are allegedly migrating from Kashmir again.
जो बेचारा वहाँ से भाग के यहाँ नौकरी करने के लिए गया, उसके सामने मतलब उसका एम्प्लॉय बेचारा मर रहा है, तो क्या वो क्या करेगा उधर? डर के मारे, जैसे 1990 में हमें डर के मारा आना पड़ा, हमें निकाला गया। ये वही साजिश है, आज भी चल रहा है।
They claim that they fear for their lives following the recent killings of minorities in Kashmir.
They have got all the belongings back to Jammu. We won't be showing their identity for the security reasons as they are under continuous threat from the enemy side. But yes, we have to see that the pain they are going through, the pain these Kashmiri Pandits are going through in Kashmir Valley, because we have seen that in the past as well, there were continuous threats to these representatives, these Kashmiri Pandits who wanted to go back to Kashmir Valley. But now the way things have happened and the way targeted killings have occurred in Kashmir Valley, where the minorities are being targeted, these Kashmiri Pandits, they have to return back to Jammu with all their belongings. They have just packed up things as they were inside their houses. Everything messed up and they just ran to Jammu.
मिलिटेंट को जो है क्या वहाँ पर फ्री अकोमोडेशन दी जाती है, उसका खाना पीना सब कुछ फ्री है, लेकिन कश्मीरी पंडित ने भारतीय झंडा उठाने के बाद जो है, भारतीय होने के बाद जो है क्या इसको वहाँ पर आज के डेट में भी जो है प्राइवेट अकोमोडेशन में रहना पड़ता है। क्योंकि मैं फिर भी शुक्रगुजार हूँ उन मकान मालिकों का कि जिन्होंने इनको वहाँ पर जो रखा है, लेकिन अल्टीमेटली जो है इस समय अपने घर में से सलामत आ गए। हम उसके लिए जो है शुक्रगुजार है वहाँ के लोगों का भी, इनका भी।
इस सरकार ने हमारे लिए कुछ नहीं किया, कुछ भी नहीं किया।
हालात जो है वो 1990 जैसे हो,
90 से भी बदतर है। हमारे 80% लोग क्या बताएंगे बेचारे, उनका लिस्ट निकला है वहाँ पे किस किस को शूट करना है। आप खुद बताइए क्या सरकार कर रही? ये दावे जितने भी कर रही है ग्राउंड लेवल पे कुछ भी नहीं है, जीरो है।
While many have come out to openly condemn the killings, many are afraid to speak up as they fear for their lives.
This is what the Kashmiri Pandits are up to now, because they have to run back to Jammu from Kashmir, and the situation is somewhat like what happened in 1990s. These are the books of the children. Even he's saying that the situation is worse from 90s. He don't want to be on the camera, but he's saying that the situation is worse from the 90s, and this is something worrisome. He got his wife and 2 children back to Jammu, and they do not want to be in front of the camera because they say that there is a continuous threat, and they want to go back to Kashmir Valley.
Bureau Report, Republic TV.